Yo, what is up YouTube? Chris here with another video. I got a new monitor behind me. Just came in. We're going to see what it's all about and get to unboxing. So let's get it. Alright guys, so I got some new equipment in today. I finally got everything I needed to upgrade my computer to what I want it to be at. This is going to be for another video though. Got some stuff right here. Got a new shipment right here for you guys, and I'll show that in another video. But the main thing I wanted to do was show you guys the new monitor I got, which is the LG Ultra Gear gaming monitor. It's this model right here, 27GL83A. And as you can see, it's an IPS display at a 144 hertz and has 1 millisecond response time. And it's NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. That, of course, is going to be compatible with our GeForce RTX 2070, which is in there. Right here, I'm running a Dell 27-inch as well, so I thought I'd keep the same, the same inches. But this one's capped at 75 hertz, so it will not reach the true potential of the RTX 2070. Also, this one's 1080p, and this one is QHD 1440p. So we're gonna unbox this and set it up and check out the difference. I really got this monitor because this one would screen tear on me. I would get like screen tearing towards the top here, and this one isn't G-Sync compatible, so that means it doesn't sync up the frames, and I get that screen tearing. I tried V-Sync, it didn't really work for me. So yeah, hopefully with this new monitor I could get higher frame rates, higher frames per second, and then we can get a nicer picture and more clarity. And this should have no problem handling that. Let's get to unboxing. So I could not for the life of me find my tripod stand for the camera, so I'm using a smaller one that's on the desk. That's why the angle's kind of weird. But for your monitor, what you want to do is get like a cable that will support the full resolution of your monitor. I went ahead and got iVanky from Amazon. They had good reviews. A lot of people were saying that this does support the 1440p at 140 hertz if your system can push it. So that's one of the first things you want to do is get a good cable. I was running an Amazon Basics cable on that monitor. Maybe that's why I was getting screen tearing, but I still wanted to upgrade either way to get the RTX at its full potential. But this is the iVanky right here. It's nylon braided, and then it has the gold tips right here. So that's what we're going to use. This is a 6-foot cable, and this should work fine. Over here we got the LG monitor. Comes with its own cables right here, as you can see. Power supply, and then the plastic cap for the back, and then some manuals and stuff. The bottom of this is twist on, so you don't need a tool for that, but you could tighten it with the flathead screwdriver. And then as you can see, it has like a red accent here for the gaming edition. And this, of course, is the back plate and the monitor stand. It connects it to the stand. I guess it moves up and down. Yeah, it has like a hydraulic spring to it. I have no idea how you close it though, but we'll figure that out later. I just wanted to show you guys real quick the back side and what it has. So right here you see it has a display port, and then right here are 2 HDMI in ports, and then there's where your DC goes in, your headphones go right there, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's how it is after I set it up. So the weight of the monitor itself is what keeps that hydraulic in the back down or up, and you could just push it down to move it down, and the weight's supposed to keep it, at the position it's at. So right now I moved it down a little bit, and that's where I'm gonna try it out at for right now. But I will say that compared to my other monitor, the screen on this one is a little bit more glossy. However, the colors seem to be better, and of course, since it's a higher definition, you can see that The lettering is much more crisp, much more HD, I guess you could say. Does have that NVIDIA G-Sync. I'll test that out later. Right off the bat, when I turned it on, it did not auto detect what input was plugged in. So that's one of the downsides. They just didn't know where to switch it to. And also it just has one single button, which is down here. And that's what controls everything. So one click opens up the menu, and then you could go to gaming mode and turn on all the modes. It's at 144 hertz right now. Adaptive sync is on, HDR is off, fast response time, and you could change the modes, and you can see the screen changing based off the modes. But I'm gonna go ahead and still mess with the settings a little bit and see how it runs Call of Duty. And in the back you can see that the little plastic that came with the box clips on right here, and then you run your cables through there so that it doesn't look all nasty in the back. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Like I said, I got another upgrade list coming in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Peace.